What is happening, everybody? Josh here with your weekly shop update. We'll start off with a huge thank you. A lot of you guys got our email today. You saw the post on social media. The call to action was received. Again, this whole journey, this community that we preach is hand in hand with you guys. We want to be super transparent about what's going on, and you guys have heard the call. So we want to keep going through. We got a long ways to go, but from the bottom of my heart and Pete's heart, huge thank you guys. The other thing that we want to touch on is the new website went live. So we've been working on this for a really long time, but we fast-tracked everything. So like anything that's happened in the last 72 hours has been fast-tracked by the unfortunate reality of us needing to put a new roof on this bad boy. So thank you. Check out the new website if you haven't. If you have any sort of hiccups or anything, as you know, we want to know. Please don't leave something, what is this saying? To the wind? Is that fine? Not really. Leave something out there unchecked. Like, we want to hear if there's an issue. Please let us know. We do all of that in-house, so we will address it. Alrighty. In terms of what we got that's new, there's so much cool stuff on our website. We have a huge inventory, but this is pretty special. Pete and I are the newest signature tires for Fulling Mill, and we got some absolute doozies of patterns in here. All these things are absolutely fish catching machines. We got two sizes of the Rocktober Caddis, Steamboat Island Leech, Peach Bum, Wiggle Leech, Rainbow Yummy, Pink Dropper. We got them. And right now with this sale, this is an insane opportunity to get these. If you fish for these species, look at this. Look at this Peach Bum. I mean, you could easily fish for a handful of the species out here for the rest of your life with what you see right here. Oh, yeah. Simple shrimp. Simply works. I don't know how we missed that. It's actually been pretty hot fly so far today. But I mean, this is neither here nor there. This is probably going to be another time and place. We'll go over more of this. We did a video on it yesterday. Most of what this shop update needs to really get through to you is we can't thank you enough. Your support is what builds this shop. It's what's built this shop. It's when it's going to push it long into the future. We can't thank you guys enough. There's going to be a couple more emails that go out and just keep honing in. One thing that I do want to note, we had quite a few calls today asking if we could special order something for the sale. Not really what we're going for. So this sale is strictly to free up free cash flow for the new roof. It's not sort of to promote these flies. It's not to promote a specific brand. It's not like a spring cleaning sale. That's not the intention of it. So if we have something here that we own, then that money's going to go towards the roof. But if we have to order something in and then we sell it at a discount, kind of defeats the purpose of what we're trying to go for. So I just want to let you guys know that so that if you do call, it's not sort of a frustration, because we did have that phone call, 5 or 6 times today. So that really does it. We just want to say thank you. Keep pushing the sale. Tell your friends. Keep this rolling, because we feel like we're headed in a good direction, and it's all because of you guys. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.